everybody, welcome to this week's video. It is now Monday morning and I'm on my way to work. So I'm walking right now. It's getting a little chilly now. I'm a little bit cold even with this jacket and turtleneck. But you know, it's just gonna be a typical week at work. I'll show you if there's anything exciting and I'll be sure to do something on the weekend as well. So there's gonna be some fun at the end of this video. So I'll see you throughout the week. Hello. So I just got back from work and Mondays are pretty eventful. So I'll take you with me today. I'm gonna do some cooking. Actually, I think that's the only thing I have planned, but that's pretty eventful. So I'm gonna meal prep for the week. I'm gonna make some chicken and pesto pasta. So should be pretty good. And then I'm gonna eat, and then I actually have to edit the vlog from 2 weeks ago so that I can upload it and then just spend the night at home. So I'll show you what I'm making and hopefully it's good. So it is now Tuesday. I just finished work and I found this gym next to work, which is not too far from my house, that I just got a membership for last week. So I'm gonna go today for the first time. It's called Nuit. I'll take you with me. Hopefully it's good. It's a bit of a rainy day, so it's perfect time to go. And I'll show you what it's like there. Y'all, that class was wild. I went in not even knowing there was a class or anything, and then I saw people going into this room and I just followed and it was crazy. It was crazy. I just showered and I'm gonna head back home, just eat some of the food that I cooked yesterday and get some work done before I go to bed. So it's now Wednesday. I got back from work a little bit ago and on my way home, I saw a bakery or a patisserie, I guess, because they sell like pastries, not just baked things. But I saw it and I just wanted to try something because I haven't had anything, you know, from a patisserie yet. I just had a baguette a while ago and that was from the grocery store, which isn't really traditional. But I asked them for something that they recommend. And the lady that was working there said a tarte tatin was their specialty. So I got that, so it's a tarte tatin, and let's open it together and see what it tastes like. It's very well wrapped. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think these are either apples or pears. I don't know. Wow. I didn't have any expectations, but this tastes... I don't know what the middle tastes like. It's like a smooth kind of apple-y sauce, but then the top is like a really, really caramelized sugar. Very, very darkened sugar. And I still can't tell if it's apples or pears or either, but it tastes somewhat like either of those. So, it's so deep. Like the sugar is very caramelized, which I don't know if I'm a fan of. I might have liked it a little bit less caramelized because it's like, you saw, like it's very dark. but it tastes good. I'm definitely gonna have this whole thing. It is now Friday. I got off work a little bit ago and then I went to the gym. I didn't film there because I feel awkward, but I did a little bit on the bike and then I did some machines, weights for arms and stuff. But right now it's Friday, so I'm gonna actually go see some of my friends who came from the same university with me, and we're gonna go to this dart game thing where we like throw darts, I think. So that's gonna be fun. So I'll show you when we're there.
Oh my god! Rolling. Oh, okay. Here?
So I'm just heading home now. It's a bit late, but I'm gonna catch the metro to go home, and then I'm gonna have a fun weekend, so stay tuned. Alrighty, it is now Saturday afternoon, about 2 p.m. I spent the morning just like doing laundry, and I had to get the transportation pass. It's called Navigo. So if you are here for a while, I would recommend it. Basically, you pay like a fee for the month, and then you can use it unlimited in the zones of Paris and around the area too. But now I'm going to meet up with some friends who are visiting from Canada, which is pretty cool. See a little bit of home here, and I'll show you around. We're probably just gonna do like really basic Paris things because they're only here for 2 days, today and then tomorrow we're going to Versailles. And then at night there should be this festival where they put art installations all around the city in the dark, so it should be pretty cool. Hopefully I'll get there if I have time, but I'll show you around when we're there too. So my friends just left. As you could see, we walked around a little bit, saw the Champs-Élysées, Arc de Triomphe, Eiffel Tower, all that stuff. And I'm just in the Eiffel Tower now. And I packed a lunch. I mean a dinner that I made at home earlier today. And this is my view. So I'm gonna have my dinner here, and then I'm gonna go meet up with my other friends from university so that we can go to the art festival tonight.
Le grand soleil des souvenirs va se lever, nous éblouir, puis il y aura l'orage, la pluie, un nouveau ciel bleu dans nos vies. Remonter le boulevard, les années au hasard, est-ce l'automne ou l'hiver, aujourd'hui ou hier? Si loin des années 80, l'élégance ne fait plus la belle. Que restait-il aux Parisiens, les revendeurs de Tour Eiffel? Cette silhouette qui se retourne, et ce qui lui arrivera, c'est comme dans un film qui se tourne, avec là-bas Claude Montana. Le manège des autres, les amis, ces gens sur les photographies, ces jours d'espoir en robe du soir, ces épaulettes, ce drapé noir, ce que l'on rêve dans un regard, ce que l'on rêve dans un regard. Si loin des années 80, l'élégance ne fait plus de belle, que restait-il aux Parisiens, les revendeurs de Tour Eiffel? Cette silhouette qui se retourne, et ce qui lui arrivera, c'est comme dans un film qui se tourne, avec là-bas Claude Montana. Claude Montana.
So the festival was pretty cool. There was a lot of different things happening, as you could tell. Now we're ending off the night with a crepe, but I have to go home soon because tomorrow I have to be early. This is Phyllis, everybody. What crepe did you get?
Nutella and banana.
Oh, yummy. I got Nutella and speculoos, which is like a type of cookie. So we're gonna let you know how they taste, actually.
Bon appetit.
Really good. Good?
Giving.
Giving?
Giving.
It is now the next day, Sunday morning, and today I'm going to Versailles with some of my friends. So I have to take a bus and 2 trains from where I live. So the schedules are not very forgiving because some of the trains come like every hour, and I have to be there at a specific time. I have to be there at 10 because of my reservation. So hopefully I'm not gonna miss anything, but you'll find out if I do. I just got on the train. It's 9:14 and it leaves at 9:15. I was so scared I wasn't gonna make it because I didn't know how far it was from the first train. But I mean, we're good. Whew. Almost there. My feet are already tired because yesterday I walked a ton and today's gonna be a lot of walking too, but as they say in France, courage. Guys, you can do it. So I just finished the palace and I was about to go outside, have some lunch in the park, and it started raining like bad and my umbrella got like, you know when it like folds back? That happened twice already. So I'm just gonna go in, but like we'll see what happens. You guys, so it got a little bit better now, but I mean I knew this park was big, but it's like huge. Like it reaches all the way to like there. It's so big. And the other interesting thing is like when you see it in pictures you think it's all flat, but it's actually slopey. Here, I'll show you from the other side. Like there's a slope that's pretty obvious here on the side, and the castle's on top. I am just gonna have some lunch here. I'll find somewhere to sit and then I'll explore a little more before heading back to Paris. I actually am gonna have dinner with a few family members, far relatives that I'm gonna meet and get to know a bit better. So I'm gonna have dinner with them at night. So I'll stay here till around maybe 5, 6 and then make my way back. So I'll show you when I'm done. I'm gonna end this week's vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me this week, for seeing Versailles, for seeing Paris, for seeing my week and how it unfolded. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll put any important links that I've mentioned or anything that I think is important to anybody who is doing something similar in the links down below. And leave me a comment. What did you like most about this video? Or maybe what you would like to know about living in Paris as an expat or somebody who's only here for a little bit, and I'll try my best to get to them. Alrighty, bye.